Hello students, today we are going to discuss accumulated adjustment of accumulated profit or loss, reserves and surpluses. So you can adjust through the accumulated profit or loss through partner's capital account, or you can retain in the business. So you have to follow the various steps under this. First step is to calculate net effect of accumulated profit or loss. Net effect means if there is a, for example, if there is a liability side reserves rupees 2 lakh and under asset side profit and loss rupees 50,000, then net effect would be 1,50,000. That will be in positive. So you have to calculate the net effect. Second step, you have to calculate gain or loss of shares, means you have to calculate sacrifice ratio and gaining ratio. Third one is past adjustment entry. Adjustment entry means if the net effect is positive, that means if there is a profit, then the entry would be gaining partner capital account debit to sacrifice partner capital account, and if the net effect would be in negative or there is a loss, then the entry would be reverse, like sacrifice partner capital account debit to gaining partner capital account. So this is all about the adjustment of accumulated profit or reserves. Now the second topic is revaluation account, or you can say it is profit and loss adjustment account. Means you have to prepare revaluation account after profit and loss account. So at the end of the year, whenever there is a change in profit sharing ratio, there is a admission, retirement, you have to prepare the revaluation account, or at the end, whenever the assets value is increase or decrease, you have to record under revaluation account. First, to decrease in assets means whenever the asset decrease, previously it was 10,000 and now it is 8,000, then it will be decrease in the assets. So you have to record to decrease in the assets, or if there is an increase in asset, you have to record on credit side by increase in asset. So same like liability, if there is a liability decrease, then you have to record under credit side. If there is an increase in liability, then you have to record in debit side. And there are some kind of assets which we have not recorded in the accounts, so these assets we have to record this time by unrecorded asset, the asset which we have not recorded earlier. So and the same unrecorded liability, and if there is a partner's remuneration that has to be paid, then it will be transferred to partner's capital account. So to partner capital account remuneration, and if there is any other expenses relating to revaluation, relating to our business, so that expenses will be paid to cash or bank expenses. And if there is a debit side increase, liability side credit side decrease, then there will be a loss. By loss transfer to partner capital account, its balancing figure. And if the credit side is more and debit side is less, then it will be transferred to profit, that will be transferred to partner's capital account. And this is about revaluation account. And if there is a journal entry, then the entry would be revaluation account debit to decrease in asset, revaluation account debit to increase in liability, revaluation account debit to unrecorded liability, revaluation account debit to partners capital to cash, revaluation account debit to partners capital. Same like this, assets account debit to revaluation, liability account debit to revaluation, unrecorded asset account debit to revaluation. So these are closing entry that has to be passed with the revaluation. So you have to prepare for that, and you have to take the complete the notes of this. Thanks.